Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 9 by 9 is equal to 8 divide 1 is equal to 8. But here they are wrong because this answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. So here is a one division and one multiplication. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Okay. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So is equal to 8. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. Therefore, keep this 8 as it is same. Now change this sign from division to multiplication. Okay, and flip this fraction. 1 by 9 is equal to 9 by 1. Okay, multiply 9. So is equal to, here is a 1 multiplication and here is also is a 1 multiplication. So first we have to solve this part because we have to move from left to right. Both have equal priority. Okay, this multiplication and this both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this part. So 8 multiply 9 is equal to 72 multiply 9. Now 72 multiply 9 is equal to 648. Okay. So 648 is the correct answer. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.